Our next little example is here. Given that angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary, given that angle 2 and angle 3 are complementary, and we're also given measures for angles 1 and angle 1 and angle 2. 3x minus 20 for angle 1, 22, 3x minus 22 for angle 1, 2x plus 2 for angle 2. And we're asked to find angle 3. So let's see what we have here. Well, what's one thing we know? We know that angles 1 and 2 are supplementary. Supplementary means they add to 180 degrees. Now, we don't know precisely how large they are, but we'll just make an approximate representation of angles that are supplementary. Straight line, they add to 180 degrees. And so let's call this angle 1, let's call this angle 2, and so we know angle 1 is 3x minus 22. I should put this in degrees. 22 degrees, and then this is 2x plus 2 degrees. And we know that they are supplementary. So let's leave the second piece of information aside for now. Let's use what we have already. We know those are supplementary, so we know, here's my solution. We know that angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. So we know that if we add them, 3x plus 22 plus 2x plus 2. Oh, I'm sorry. This is minus. I copied it down wrong. 3x minus 22, 2x plus 2. We know they have to be supplementary, so they add to 180 degrees. Solve the algebra. So from this we have, this is straightforward, 5x. In fact, why don't you do this? Why don't you pause the video, see if you can solve for x. Okay, we're back in. Let's see if I can actually match what you did here. 5x minus 20 is equal to 180. So 5x is 200, and so x is 40. Which is a wonderful thing, but that's not what we're asked to find. We're asked to find the measure of angle 3. Well, how are we going to find the measure of angle 3? How does this help us find the measure of angle 3? Well, one thing we could do is find these other pieces, but notice, the only thing we know about angle 3 is that it is complementary to angle 2. So we know that if we take angle 2 plus angle 3, the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3, that must equal 90. And how much is angle 2? Well, we know what angle 2 is. That is this. All right? So let's say we have 2 times x plus 2, so that's 2 times 40 plus 2 plus, we don't know what this is. I've used x already. I'm going to get a different variable. How about if I call this t for 3 is equal to 90. So now my task is to find t. And so what do we have? That's 82, is that right? 82 plus t is equal to 90. And so that gives us that t is equal to 8. And what was t to begin with? T is the measure of angle 3. That's what we were asked to find. And so angle 3 is 8 degrees.